Maayong buntag mga higala, ako si Ruben Castor, ang inyong amigo dinhi sa kasadpang bahin sa Australia. Karong adlaw kauban ako ang usa sa mga pinakasuod nga higala dinhi sa kasadpang bahin sa Australia. Ang iyang pangalan si Chiara, gikan sa nasod nga Italia. Manuroy kita, mag-uban ta. Samtang naghulat ko sa akong amiga, mag-English mode sa ako. So while I'm waiting for my friend, English mode. Yun na naman siya. Pag nakasa inyong balay, mag-Bisaya man mo. Pag gawas ni mo, mag-English man ka. Tingnan ako, pag gawas na ko sa balay, murag dili pa ko kabalo mo English. Kaya naanad ko Bisaya. Warm up. Hi, how are you? Today we are going out. Hi. Today, I'm silly. Oh, wow. Hi, my name is Ruben. Hi, sexy.
Sorry, I got lost.
Lost?
I have to ask you a question. Can we go to school first?
Yeah, sure. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Ruben speaking. We are expecting a very beautiful sunny day today. I have a beautiful lady beside me. Please fasten your seatbelt and off we go. So we
have
are.
to talk.
Yeah.
Okay. Me and my teacher are going to have breakfast.
Yeah, she calls me her bitch.
And I'm gonna miss my beach so much that I'm gonna have my wedding. Pani e dolce. I have a break from the ordinary. I have pani e dolce with Mark and Ruben.
Oh yeah, she just stole the show. This is my show.
This is my show. This is our show.
Okay. So
I'm gonna smack your bum.
Ow! We are in beautiful Fremantle. Mga lami ang pamahaw nga na ay modern Australian twist ang gina-specialize sa X-Ray Cafe nga nahimutang sa Essex Street, Fremantle. Do you wanna sit there? I think it's beautiful outside.
Yeah, we can stay outside. I don't mind.
Where can I find the menu?
It's right there.
Okay. Ay. Laji rice ay. Sige na lang, kay gutom na.
I think I'm just gonna get.
Yeah. We order from here, right? I'll have
What do you like?
have a burrito,
Pork or halloumi?
halloumi.
Halloumi burrito, yeah?
Yep, and a flat white. Oh, what are these? Looks yummy.
These ones?
Yeah.
It's like a muesli slice. This one's like more of a chocolate muesli. And this is an apple cake. And this is the orange and almond cake.
How much for the orange and almond cake?
$7.
Oh yeah. Okay, I'll get this one as well.
And one of those as well?
Yeah. Does Vincent work here?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Is he working now?
No, not till tomorrow, I think.
Oh okay. We went to school together.
Oh, right, okay. He's lovely. I was at a pay pass.
Yes, you can do it. Thanks.
Done. Thank you. Do you like a receipt?
Nah, that's alright. Thanks. Tungod kay Sheping ang akong gikabisihan dinhi upag pangusiniro, ubay-ubay na sad ang akong mga kailang nga chef. Ang usa nila gatrabaho dinhi mo nang among gituyuan.
Good place. I've never been here before.
Yeah, I've always wanted to come here.
Why you never been here?
Nah, like I'm always busy. But I can't see you. It's dark.
Yeah.
And then I said like, oh, I know it's at one entrance.
Yeah.
And then you said like, I need to go to Peaches, and I know how to get to Peaches.
You know everywhere.
Yeah, it feels like, oh fuck, I'm from Fremantle.
I'm from Fremantle. I know everything.
And I'm leaving Fremantle.
You know we come back.
Yeah, I know, I can always come back. But you know how it sounds like.
So are you planning to actually move back to the Philippines forever? Or
Yeah, definitely.
I like this place. I'm gonna take my mom here. With almond flour?
Yeah, we did it in school.
Oh, really?
Second sem with Michael. Nakatuna nako ang paghimo sa orange almond cake sa akong pagskwela dinhi sa Australia. Hinungdan na kung sa Cagayan de Oro City kini mapalit sa pani e dulce uptown.
No.
This one, what is this?
That's like nuts and pistachio.
Yeah. Oh, this looks lovely.
Yeah, I love it.
And this is just normal cream?
I think it's sour cream.
Oh, that's sensational.
Okay.
Dinhi sa Australia, duha lang kapulong ang kinahanglan nimong hinumduman kung mukaon ka. We say, this food is beautiful. This food is sensational. So that's what you should remember. Sensational and beautiful. Beautiful, sensational.
Sorry.
Bisan pa og wala namo na hinabi ang among kailang chef sa X-Ray Cafe, okay pa gihapon kay ang burrito nga naay halumi sa sulod was beautiful and sensational.
Stop recording me. You're not taking my best side.
I'm still with Karen. We're going to San Churros. It's a chocolateria.
Chocolateria.
Chocolateria. Yeah, we're gonna taste and look at their beautiful desserts, sensational desserts. You wanna have a drink?
Yeah.
Hi, good. How are you? I'll have a macaron. I'll have a salted caramel, a raspberry, a pistachio. And how much is it now? I know you have a $10 minimum.
Yeah, it's $8.85.
Okay, and one more chocolate.
Chocolate one.
Thank you.
The best flavor.
Really?
Oh, definitely.
It's your favorite?
I also really like the raspberry one. Thank you.
There you go. You can do a tap if you want.
Yeah, sure. Here you go.
Thank you.
The receipt.
No, that's alright.
Welcome to San Churros, usa ka chocolateria na nag-specialize sa mga lamiang desserts o mga dessert drinks. Ang churros, usa ka Spanish dessert nga halinon sa ilaang tindahan. Pero karong adlaw, macaron ang among tilawan.
Do you like it? Beautiful.
Beautiful. Sensational.
Oh, look at these sensational macaroon. This one is pistachio. So we have pistachio, chocolate, raspberry, and salted caramel. Salted caramel. Try it. What do you think about the salted caramel?
That's sensational.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Oh yeah, I'm going to attend a macaron class
What?
in Joondalup
Oh, when?
because Mark wants me. Mark wants me to make some macaron when I come back to the
Mark
Philippines.
wants Ruben.
I can put that on.
Why not? Why not? Why not?
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. How do we go? You wait.
That way.
Our next stop is Blue Buddha, usa ka tindahan nga namaligya og klase-klaseng mga charm.
We've been here before. Hi. How are you? Good, thanks.
Gawas sa mga charms na maligya sad sila og mga incense, klase-klaseng gamit sa fortune telling, ug naasad sila'y psychic reading. Kung inyong nahinumduman sa akong pagsuri-suroy sa niagi, nakasulod na taaning tindahana. Sa Kakula Sister kung diin ko nipalit og chocolate, makita ninyo ang ilaang mga cheese, mga mixed olives, ug mga pagkaon na para sa mga specialized dietary needs.
What are those?
It's like bread, kind of.
Organic bread.
Yeah.
Sa tibuok adlaw namong pagsuri-suroy sa Fremantle, niabot na ang panahon nga kinahanglan na namong manguli.
We're just going home now, yeah. Kara?
Yes, we're going home. So we've done it today.
Yeah, we've done so much.
We solved my problem, which is the tools and
Yeah.
my certificate, like my lost stuff.
Yeah, you got your certificate.
I didn't have to pay.
Yeah, which I paid by the way, which is not good for me.
And we went to Vincent's restaurant.
Yeah, we had that sensational orange cake, and I have a very good, stunning burrito. Yeah, I don't have a car in Australia, so that's why they just drive straight. So they're driving me home. They just tag me along, kidnap me or whatever. Behind me is a balikbayan box where I'm going to put all my stuff from here in Australia, and I'm going to send it back to the Philippines. Can you imagine like my whole 1 year and a half here in Australia will be put inside a box? Yeah, I wish I can ship you. She wants to come to the Philippines with me. When are we gonna see each other again?
Hopefully next week.
It's hard to imagine that in a few weeks' time, I'm leaving Australia. I'm gonna miss this place. I'm gonna miss the people. I'm gonna miss the culture. I'll miss my friends. But this is a journey, and every journey ends. So I'm spending it the way I know how. Make the most out of it. Oh, before I cry, this is her show as well.
Yes, Ruben was supposed to love me and then he turned out to
You can't say that.
Oh, sorry. Well, he turned out to like...
You can say that as well.
Oh, he turned out that he didn't like me. I was devastated.
Yeah.
It was terrible. You actually should put out of my misery. He didn't even think that I'm attractive. He slept with me and I was in my underwear with my amazing bum sticking out and he didn't feel anything.
Just drive straight.
He didn't feel anything from the bum. You know how many people would like to sleep with me? You slept with me and didn't feel.
There you go. Home sweet home. Ciao, Bella. Did I say it right? Bye. Have a good drive. Love you too. Sana pud kaadlaw ang nilabay. Ayaw kalimot, ako si Ruben Castor, ang inyong higala. Magkita ta sa sunod higayon.
Cool, cool.